how to play retro games on your iPhone. Are you someone who grew up with Nintendo and Sega? If the answer is yes, in today's video we will go back to our childhood and play legendary songs on the iPhone. Stay till the end to find out how. As you know, Apple allowed the download of emulators from the App Store, which enabled us to get emulators on our phones. The one we are using today is the Delta Game emulator. It is completely free, and you can download it from the App Store. Once you've done that, open the Delta emulator. When you open the emulator, a blank page will be waiting for you. What we need to do is download the game to our phone. I will leave you a link to the site from which I downloaded the games, and you can either use it or find another one. However you downloaded the game, open Delta emulator again. When the emulator has opened, we need to tap on the plus icon in the upper right corner of the screen. From the menu, we will select that we want to add a file from the phone, so we will select the option files. We will find the file we downloaded, mark it and tap on the Done button, located in the upper right corner of the screen. As you can see, the game will be added. If the image did not load, we can do it by holding down on the icon and selecting the Change Artwork option from the menu. We select the game's database option and type the name of our game there. When you have found the cover, simply tap on it. And that's it, the image will appear as the cover for our game. Of course, if we tap on it, the game will start, and we can indulge ourselves with the old legendary titles. That's it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more iOS tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.